Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Buck50 by Juice WRLD and DJ Scheme. Song dropped a couple days ago. It's fucking amazing. It's so fire, man. Go listen to it on DJ Scheme's brand new Family album. It's the deluxe version. It's just overall an amazing album. Go listen to it. It's awesome. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. All right, so obviously we are opening up the Kobe 6 Grinches, man. I'm so excited. I haven't looked at these yet. I legit got them a week ago and I've just left them in the box. I haven't even like taken a look, so I'm excited, man. Let's just get into this. Kobe 6 9.5 retail is $180, man. Go half a size up. Kobe's specifically Kobe 5, 6s, and I think 7 and 8s. They do run a little bit tight, so just go up half a size. It won't hurt. They're very snug. And bro, let's just open these up. Bro, oh my god, man, these are so nice. All right, here, let's take these out the box. Bro, these are crazy. I've only ever seen these one other time in hand, man. Here, let's put the laces there. Bro, these are crazy. I've only ever seen the 2010 pair one time in hand, and I forgot where. I think I saw them at like the mall or something. Somebody had them like on. Like, this is crazy, man. Like, I don't know. I'm like lost for words, like actually having this shoe in hand. Okay, so here, let's just get into like a little bit of the differences between this Kobe and the last one that came out in 2010. This one is a tad bit brighter. Specifically like this area right here, it's just a little bit more brighter than the 2010 version. And even then, I don't think it really makes too much of a difference. They look basically the exact same. So here, let's show it. And since this is a Protro, they did update the midsole, so obviously it is going to have like the brand new foam here. Overall though, you can't really tell the difference. It looks almost identical to like the 2010 version. Here, let's take out the red laces, man. Me personally, I'm gonna just wear them with the green laces, but these red laces are so iconic, man. Like, just everything about this shoe is crazy. Here, I'll put up a picture of the insoles because I'm not gonna take them out. I think they are glued in. Yeah, so there, I'll put up a picture of the insoles. They look amazing. And in case you guys did not know, on Christmas in 2010, Kobe played the Miami Heat and was versing LeBron in that game. I recently just watched that, like, the whole game because I was only 8 years old when that happened, so I really wasn't like watching it. That game is fucking insane. Also, another thing that happened during the game, everybody that sat courtside got a gift bag and were able to get this shoe for free. So that's just a crazy story as well, man. Like, just everything about this shoe is like perfect. And in case you guys did not know, you guys can see like the little I don't know what to call it other than scales. Are based off of the green mamba snake. I'll put a picture up on the screen. And they got it like perfect, man. It looks just like it. And obviously, since he did wear these on Christmas Day, Sneaker Blocks picked up on it and called it the Grinch just because it looks exactly like the Grinch, man. It's just all neon green with red. Here, let me show you guys that signature in the back. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, in my opinion, this has to be the best Kobe of all time, man. Like, you can argue with me. I'm sure there's a couple other Kobes that are just as great as this, but like, this has to be the best one. Like, just because of the story behind it, how they look, like the model, like just everything is perfect about this, man. And again, I'm not gonna wear the red laces, but you can. They look amazing with the red laces. I just personally like it a lot better with these neon green laces. And here, let's spin it around one more time for you guys. Again, go up half a size. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, and let's take a look at these on feet.